Hello everyone, this is Royal Locksmith. I'm going to make today a key for a 2017 Kia Forte. We are not going to make a flip key like this one. We're just going to make a standard one without the remote controls, which is just going to be a backup. So let's get in the van. So here is the key cutter. We're going to grab the key that we need. Okay, it's the right one. So now let's trace the original one so we know what the cuts are. Take a duplicate. Now we just wait. So now the key is just being decoded. Remove this one. Place the new key is going to be cut. Now let's try out the key. And there you have it, guys.